Hi, and welcome to another Graphite Studio tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how to download and install a new version of GraphiteGTC Core Library. I'll also show you how to refresh a specific library referenced in a web application project. Here we have a web application project that uses the GraphiteGTC.Core Library. In order to refresh the library, click the Edit Project link. And on the Edit Project screen, simply click the cloud icon next to the name of the library to sync the library. However, because the library is installed on the hard drive, I'll have to go download the latest version of the core library and install it on the hard drive before I refresh the library. I'm going to click Cancel and minimize Graphite Studio. I'll go to GraphiteGTC.com, go to the Try It Free section, and click the second download button. This will download the latest version of GraphiteGTC Core Library project and all the libraries that are included in it. And run the install. Accept the license agreement and click Next. Here it's important to check that the path points to where the core library was installed previously. Now click through the next couple pages and begin the install. Now that the install is finished, go back into Graphite and click Edit Project. You can now click the sync icon and confirm. Once it's complete, click Next, click OK, and now the core library referenced in this project is refreshed. And that's it. Thanks for watching.